Hi guys, good morning. It's around 11:12. We'll do a regular drill. So that is to check first of all market pulse page to understand where the market is heading into. So currently, if you can see, Nifty is showing a good PCR of 1.17. There is some good put writing visible around 23,900, which is why it is showing as a PE wall. And with the bank Nifty, it's other way around is PCR is looking down, although the conviction is higher, but put writing is still very down below 55,000, and we have an immediate call wall which shifted. Earlier it was showing at 55,000, now it is 58,000, and Fin Nifty is also trying to correct currently. PCR is very down, so I the max pain is sitting around 26,000, which means this might consolidate before it starts any next bigger move. So currently today's performer sector is IT, and that is what is supporting Nifty overall. Otherwise, there was a time I think where I saw Bank Nifty was in the red, and it's kind of a mix. If you would see, some sectors are positive, but not by much. I mean, the highest being the IT, which shows around only 1%. And banking is down, pharma is down, auto, textile, all those things are down. Metal being the highest, we saw that gap up, gap down opening happening in mostly all the metal stocks, following some kind of a soft nature of performance in the US market of the metals. So we had a Hindalco that we saw good open interest building up right now today. It gave a very big move downside. It is right now trying to have some balance around 980, but we will see over the day how it goes. So, as I have told in the morning, also today might be a day of consolidation and kind of a dull day and being expiry. So we have to be very careful if we are trading into index today, being the expiry day. We'll come down to see the highest open interest build up currently is into sale, probably short. I'm assuming because all the metals are down. Indigo has a long unwinding. Shriram has a narrowest CPR currently. We will see if we find any relevance of this in the in the CPR page. Coming down the day's high breakouts are Tata Consumer. If I recall, there was good put writing we saw happening couple of days in Tata Consumer. Persistent is a new stock that is added. Yeah, just to also update, currently we had 66 stocks, including three index. Last week, I have added three more stocks: Persistent, Nika, and Dixon. So these will start coming into your all standard calculations, including CPR, which will happen maybe by end of the day today. So if we come down, you will see a breadth of 70 stocks currently, of which only 38 are bullish and 32 bearish. This is a 50-50 situation, which means we may not necessarily cross for 24,000 with the force. So we have to wait currently to see if there's any kind of a covering happens in the metal stocks or maybe in the banking stocks. Till such time, we might see a sideways move because only IT is the one supporting. So we'll have to wait for that. If we come down, only Nifty is into war zone, which means there's some action going on over here. So because the expiry is kind of a assume that this is how it's gonna be. If we come down to see a most active open interest, currently the build is mostly highest into sale, and then we have IT stocks showing good build up. Maybe this is just a one-off. We'll have to see if it sustains and grows over the day. All the IT stocks are having good open interest build up as of now. Then we have Hero MotoCorp showing good 1.7% open interest, Vedanta on the short side, so on and so forth. Bajaj Auto had a good long build up yesterday and even on Friday, if I recall. So currently, it is price is down than yesterday, but the open interest is very low. I want to see if this can go as up as 4 to 5%, maybe. Then you can know further move. Possibly that can happen. So we'll have to wait and watch over the day. Now we move to signal page CPR scanner. What things we check in CPR are very limited. Like I cannot randomly trade all the narrow CPR, although it's a very strong reference for me. to take any position in the stock. But what I want to see is if there's any confluence. Currently, it is none. Although, if you can see very closely, Nifty is showing a 23,950 put writing, which means there is a support which is building up. Now, the point is to see if it can cross 24,000. But that is again where the open interest is maximum. So if it does try to cross, we may see a gamma squeeze happening. But again, that is just an assumption right now. For that to happen, there should also be a good 24,000 put writing. So we will see over the day how it progresses. Maybe currently there's all writers in the play and they're trying to write almost any strike which they feel. So we will keep an eye on this. If I untick confluence and just click on the put writing, which is what I like to see, Nifty again showing up. Reliance is showing up a put writing above the current market price, which is 1330. So it's a good stock to take a note of. Bajaj Finserv is again showing a put writing below the current market price, so which means the support is building up. Hindalco, as I told you, when the price was 975, there's a good put writing happening at 980, which means this might become or try to be a good support at least for the intraday. We'll have to watch over the time how it progresses. So far, it is holding up. Adani Port has a port rating which is very, very, far from the current market price. So nothing much over here. Only Nifty has a narrow CPR. Rest all are normal and wide CPR, just as for the reference. Now, if we see if currently at this point in time, do we have any stock that has right now come up into intraday? We'll see. So these are the watch today's stocks. So I'll just unclick them. Currently, there's nothing that is right now there. Understood, because it will take a time. Market being currently, kind of a sideways and only limited sectors performing. So if IT has to start a new rally from here, you might see these stocks appearing over here and the put writing also in these stocks. So although they are appearing into the open interest buildup, but unfortunately, I couldn't see any put writing of above ATM, which means the rally, I am not sure of the rally. It might continue, but I want to be more sure when I see a put writing. So currently, that is what the situation is right now looking into. We'll check the OI profile as we do every day just to understand the Nifty levels overall and where there's a major call in put writing. Now, PCR is very healthy, as we saw on the front page also 1.12, which means a good put writing is happening. Now, if you come down, you can see a huge open interest into 23,900, which means this is now a support at least for today, even for tomorrow also. But because the data would expire today, so I don't want to assume for tomorrow. But for the day, yes, I can assume that this is a point where the maximum people feel that market may not go again, but this is a point. If it breaks, there would be a gamma pressure. And likewise, for the 24,000 also, we have 4.5 CR open interest. So the range for the expiry currently at this point in time, which is like 1120, is very limited. It's only 24,000 on the upside and 23,900 downside. In between, there is support building up around 23,950, but we want to see if it really sustains and continues. If you see more put writing happening at 24,000 and some reduction over here, so what built up as we have seen 2.5 CR, if it tries to reduce by 2 CR, 1.5 CR, I mean, at least there's a covering of 1 CR plus. So then you have something in the pipeline that we might break 24,000. But that is again just an assumption that I'm making right now. None of what I'm saying is any tip to trade. It's just an overview on how do you use the system and how do you analyze this data particularly. So keep an eye on the open interest profile every day if you want to be, if you are the index trader and you want to know the levels across. Coming to Bank Nifty, currently Bank Nifty had a last call wall which was 55,000 earlier. Now it is shifted to 58,000. 57,000 to be precise. Sorry, 58,000 was maybe it came down due to writing. So this is a range for the Bank Nifty currently to 55,000 to 57,000. What I want to see in the real world is that we shift, if we want to continue bullishness, we shift the put wall to at least 56,000 or maybe 57,000. Then there will be possibility that will see a good covering in 57,000 call, but that is later. We'll see. So currently, open interest wise, yes, we have a good built up around 57,000. We are above it. And if there's some covering which we see, then we might continue. But if there's no covering, there's more addition to this call, then we might drift down and there's a next support which is around 56,500. So this is a point to keep an eye on. Nothing fresh that you can think of deploying right now. Just look into how these particular walls, 57,000 wall, is turning into. Then you can decide further. Till then, keep an eye. For the series, I think we have a good POC area, which is 56,000. Now, POC area always becomes important. Nifty had a good POC which built up around 23 to 200, and then we saw the good rally of nearly 800 plus point. Uh, POC makes you shows you area or strikes where there's a good kind of a buying and selling happening on the both sides. So if you see that in the context of the price and the call and put writing, then you will be sure that we might hold a particular POC or we might not. So currently for the Bank Nifty, 56,000 is a POC. If things have to go wrong, this is where Bank Nifty might come and try to hold on, but it's very far, which is like 1,000 point from right now. But yes, if it so happens that we see some correction or some news-driven fall, then the point to observe Bank Nifty would be 56,000. Similarly, for the Nifty, it would be 23,200. Currently, maybe because right now the expiry, I don't know if we have any active POC currently visible. We'll see. POC, I prefer that action is on the both side, not just on a single side. So let's see if so. Currently, for the day, POC is 23,900, which means since morning there has been good action that has happened in this particular point in time. So, because the writing it is heavily on the put writing side, so this is a point as a maximum support for the intraday. And similarly, as we saw, 24,000 is the highest resistance. So we'll see over the day how it progresses. So we'll just try to see refresh if there's anything happening on the market pulse side. So sale is showing good build up again. It continues. Shriram has come into war zone. It's kind of showing long unwinding below CPR. So this is a stock to watch out maybe during the day what it does. Most active open interest again similarly being sale. Tata Power is trying to show some kind of a recovery, although it is currently down than the yesterday's high. So, but it had a good build up yesterday and good volumes also. Overall, I think it was into part of a 10 days volume. So maybe if this tries to recover, this is a stock for me to keep an eye on over the day because unless the high of yesterday is not crossed, I would not really think of doing any long or anything. I'll have to wait for yesterday's high to cross and then you will see what it does. But yes, it is showing good open interest buildup, which means if there are longs in the system which who are there to drive the price higher, so they will again, given the market softness today, they'll try to add more positions. That is what I think they are doing right now. And that will then again lead the stock to rally and cross the day high. But that is just a thesis. We will see how it progresses over the day. Thank you very much.